Siniguro ng pulisya at army na hindi na magagamit pa ang 31 assault rifles, shotgun at pistols na isinuko ng mga dating rebelde.
Of unserviceable assorted surrender firearms.
Ito ang demilitarization ng surrendered firearms sa ilalim ng Enhanced Comprehensive Local Integration Program o ICLIP na ginawa sa Police Regional Office 11 umaga ng April 25, 2025.
No firearm captured, confiscated, surrendered, or recovered will ever return to the hands of the CPP-NPA or any local terrorist group.
Ayon kay Police Regional Director Brigadier General Leon Victor Rosete na hindi na makakabalik pa ang NPA.
Our resolve to end local communist armed conflict is unwavering, and we are determined to protect the peace we have collectively worked hard to achieve.
Tiniyak ni 1003rd Brigade Commander Brigadier General Marion Ancao na kuhanan ng mga former rebel ang kabayaran ng mga armas na sinira. Ang M16 halimbawa may katumbas na 45,000 pesos hanggang 150,000 pesos depende sa kondisyon ng baril.
So kung natanggap na nila yun, that's the time na sasalang sila for...
I-destroy.
Yeah. Kasi very kasama yun sa requirements na buo yung firearms pa bago ibigay.
Demilitarization.
Ang entire Davao Region ganap ng insurgency free o wala ng New People's Army simula 2022. Joel Ramirez, RNG News.